Now we will discuss about the torque on a dipole in a uniform electric field. That means when a dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, at that time what will be the value of the torque or force? First you have to find out the amount of force, then we can calculate the torque. So first of all, we will draw the diagram. Uniform electric field. So we know generally this is the symbol for your uniform electric field, and the dipole. Dipole means two equal and opposite charges. Suppose minus Q charge is placed at the point A and plus Q charge is placed at the point B, and the dipole makes an angle theta with the electric field. Now, what will be the force due to charge minus Q? We know F is equal to QE or E is equal to F by 3. E is equal to F by 3. So F is equal to Q. So this is the force due to charge plus Q, or we can write down FB, means due to charge plus Q. Similarly, FA means due to charge minus Q, that is equal to minus Q. Now, mark these two forces are equal and opposite. FB is equal to QE and FA is equal to minus Q. So, they will cancel each other, or the net force will be 0. That means the net translational force will be 0. But these two forces act on different points of the dipole, so they will couple or they will experience the turning effect, which is called as a torque. So you have to find out torque is equal to how much? We know torque is equal to force multiply perpendicular distance. Force, the magnitude of force will be same, that is equal to QE. Only you have to find out the value of your perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance, this is your perpendicular distance. Suppose this is your BC. Now you have to find out the value of your BC. Now ABC, this is your right angle triangle. So the length of the dipole or the distance between plus Q and minus Q is your 2A. Already we know. So what is the value of your BC? Sin theta is equal to how much? BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means AB. BC divided by 2A. If you cross multiply, then we can write down BC is equal to 2A sin theta. Now put the value of your BC here. So we can write down torque is equal to QE multiply 2A sin theta, or you can write down E into Q into 2A sin theta. What is the value of your Q into 2A? That is equal to P, which is your dipole moment. So tau is equal to, this is your P. P E sin theta. If you want to express in your vector form, then you can write down here torque is equal to sin theta means the vector product or the cross product of your dipole moment and electric. Both the expressions are same. Only the difference is here the direction is also included, and in this expression only magnitude can be constant. Now from this expression tau is equal to P is sin theta, you can find out in which case the torque will be maximum or minimum. If theta is equal to 0 degree or 1, then because the sin 0 and sin 180 both are here 0, so at that time torque will be here PE into 0, that is equal to 0. Or in other words, we can say the no torque will be experienced. Second is, if theta is equal to 90 degree, sin 90 is equal to 1, so in that case torque will be PE into sin theta, which is equal to 1. Or if I write down torque is equal to PE, that means in this case the torque will be maximum. Sometimes it is written that with the help of your diagram, so that where the torque will be minimum or the torque will be maximum. So already we have discussed when the theta is equal to 0 or 1 means either the parallel or anti-parallel. At that time no torque will be experienced. That means suppose this is the dipole minus q plus q, because the direction of the dipole is always here, dipole moment is always here from negative to positive. And if you draw the electric field along the same direction, then the torque will be 0 or no torque will be experienced. Second situation, if theta is equal to 90 degree, theta is equal to 90 degree means we have to show the angle between your dipole moment and the electric field will be 90. Suppose the direction of the electric field is like this, then the angle will be 90 degree. So in this case the maximum torque will be